Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a Supercell ID verification code not receiving to email problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. Before going to settings, we're going to go to our app store and check it out whether our app is updated or not, because if it's not updated, that can make the problem occur. So as you can see, it's showing open, so that means my app has been updated and I'm good to go. Now since I have nothing wrong on my app, I'm gonna go to the settings. From over here, I'm gonna go to search bar and type in storage right over here, and then I'm gonna scroll down, tap on the app over here, and I'm gonna tap on this option of Offload App. That way I will be able to offload the app and remove all of the unnecessary details and actually reinstall the app. That way I will have totally new app with no lagging or any kind of errors over there. I'm gonna go ahead, once it's done being reinstalled, I'm gonna go open it up and gonna use it. I'm gonna go to login section, add in my email address, and I'm gonna receive the code and I'm gonna add it in. So that is the things that you can do to solve it out, and it will definitely help you. So that is how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.